Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Priyendra Kumar. In this video, you will learn how we can create a beautiful slide meter chart in Microsoft Excel. So as you are seeing my screen, I have this day-wise service label and I have displayed this service label on this slide meter chart. Now here you can see the first day, which is Sunday. The service level value is 50% and you can see this data point in middle of this bar. If I will change the value as let's say 75, then it will be here. For 80 it will be more above, and similarly for 30 it will be here. Alright, so we will learn how we can create this beautiful chart in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. I'm just going to copy this data and I will add a new workbook, press Ctrl N. I will paste this data here. First of all, I'll go to the view and will remove the grid lines from here. To create this chart, we need a support column, which is the max or max value. So we know this service level maximum value can be 100%. So I'm just putting the maximum value here and just fill this down. Now I'll select this range, go to the insert, then I'll go to the charts and I will go to the column chart, and I will take this simple 2D clustered column chart. First of all, right click on the axis and click on format axis. Now here in minimum we will put as 0 and for maximum we will put as 1, which is 100%. Alright. Now we will select this axis and press delete. I'll go to the chart elements and I will remove the grid lines and legend from here. Now right click on this bar and go to the format data series. Here in format data series window, you can see this gap bit is 219%. So just change it as 100%. Now what I will do, I'll go to the insert and shapes. I will insert a rectangle from here and I'll choose this rectangle, which is rounded rectangle. Click on this. Now I'll drag this rectangle here like this. Now I will pick this yellow handle and I'll change the corner radius like this. Now right click here, go to the format shape, and here in format shape I'll go to the fill and line. I'll go to the fill and I'll choose as gradient fill. So this is some default gradient fill is available. Now I'll go to the preset gradients and here I'll choose this one, the third one from the top, medium gradient accent one. Click on this. Now I'll go to the direction. In the direction I'll choose this one, which is linear right. Now I'll go to the line option. Here in line I'll choose as no line. Now close this. So I will copy this, Control C, and then I'll select this max and I will paste it here, Control B. Now I'll select this series, which is the service level. You can see here, right click, go to the change series chart type. Here in for service level we will choose this one, which is line with marker. Click on OK. So now our chart will look like this. Now again I'll go to the insert and shapes and I'll go to the basic shapes and I'll choose this one, which is oval. Click here and just click here. So this oval has been created here. Now right click on this oval, go to the format shapes. So here format shapes window is open. Now I'll go to the fill and I'll go to the gradient fill, then I'll go to the preset gradient. So here I'll choose this one, the second one, which is top spotlight accent 3. Now I will go to the direction and I will choose this direction. Alright, then I'll go to the line. I'll choose the solid line which is already selected, but I will change the color of this line. I'll choose some gray color like this. I'll choose this third one. Now close this. So here you can see our shape has been created. I will change the size of this oval shape around zero point 0.5 and zero point 0.5 in format size. Alright, now just copy this and click on this line and just paste here. Press Ctrl B. Our oval will look like this. Now click on this line, right click, go to the format data series, and here I'll go to the fill and line. In the line I'll choose as no line. Right click on this shape and go to the add data labels. Click on add data label and click on the data label. Right click, go to the format data label. Now here in format data label window, you can see this label position available. It is currently right. Click on center. Alright. Now go to the home tab, make it bold, change the font as agency FP, change the size around 11, color choose as dark black. Now select this horizontal axis, make it black, bold, font edge agency FB, size around 12. Now I will select this entire chart, go to the format, shape fill, choose as no fill, shape outline, choose as no outline. Now select this axis and then go to the format, shape outline, choose as no outline. Now go to the insert and shapes. Here now I'll go to the rectangles and I'll choose rectangle. Drag this rectangle here like this. Then right click here, go to the format shapes. Now I'll go to the effects. Here in effects I'll go to the 3D rotation. So in the preset I'll choose this one, which is perspective relaxed. We can change the by rotation also. Just click twice here, so it will be 299.6. Now I'll go to the 3D format. Here I'll choose the top bevel. Top bevel, I'll choose this one, which is circle. Alright, now here I'll give some height of this bevel. It is 6 point default, so just increase this like this. I'll choose around 25. Now we will change the color of this shape. So go to the format, shape outline, choose as no outline, and shape fill we will choose as. Right click on this shape and click on send to back. Alright. Now since we have taken the horizontal color as font color as black, so we will select this horizontal axis, go to the home and change the font color as white, so it will be visible. So our chart is ready. Now you can give some chart title. Let's say I'm just giving here this slide. Okay, you can give your chart title whatever you want to give here, and then you can change the font as agency FB, make this bold and font as black. Alright friends, so once your chart is ready, make sure to group these chart and this shape, select together, right click and make this group. So now you can move your chart anywhere. Alright friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for the watching.